PSU on offense, hoping to get a break. Pass mover on the open side and score! To Zach Lapat, looking for a reset forward. Pass, pinukol! Hinanap to the rescue! Score! Of the game. What a... And forward pass, swinging. Wow! Check. Whoa! Yun na po. Favorite org. Kami ay duo. Ako, si Jello Suarez. Batch 17 ng duo.
And also,
more touches, more danger. Yan na nga po! Whoa! What a grab! Nonood ngayon. Mga kumakain ng afternoon snack. Pang! What a D by Green! I got you there. Wow! Wala na forward pass, siningit. In the middle. Short throw. Butas. Nakahanap ng butas. Wow.
yes, sir.
So, for that long point, na si PSU, stretches the field, running long, going for the forward pass. PSU facing with the Skyler Green Goblin. Meron ba tong survey? Pwede ba yan yung poll?
Hammer time.
Meron ba yan?
PSU.
Who do you think will win?
Oh!
Wow.
Guys in orange. Kita niyo yung recovery doon. Laki ng ngiti niyo.
Guys in orange, also known as PSU. John, same third.
Binalik kay Zelda.
At madadakdakan. Sabay sa ring.
By Rafa Uson.
Nice try by Jurwin. Jurwin.
Wow.
With a right side pass.
Natin yung replay. Zelda.
Tingnan natin ang replay. Mga alumni. Kamusta laro nyo? Kamusta buhay nyo?
Skyler with the pull.
Back to the game.
PUPM naman ang nag-zone.
Lusot. At nalusot. To secure this open. And a score. Wow. Three-handers. Nag-engage. What a cheeky backhand. Biglang pukol. At magandang basa. Pancake. Isa po siya sa part ng program natin with a beautiful read. Safe lang, pancake.
Ulit ang nangyari.
Isa stretch kaya ang break side. Running for the burger. Nadulas. Mahabang forehand. Naghanap ng forehand pass.
Bail out.
Zelda's dungeon. What a defensive play.
Zach with the breakaway cut. Zelda.
Secures the point.
Yes, sir.
The Pogo Man. Kaping. Bang. Pinukol.
Straight away. And
Wow. Reset. Slow and steady. Conservation of greatest. At tapos. Pwedeng the H-tack na lusot. Wow, what a space. Spatial awareness. Kasi secure. Wow, grabe continuation nun. Jepoy, kinuha ang reset.
Hammer time. Inarang na naman. Wide open.
At sinarado ang pako. Sabi, steady lang, kalma. Hindi kailangan ipasa. Ayun, nahanap ang magandang butas.
On this, ay magsistay sa UPN. Loopy burger.
Uy!
Lunade kay Zelda.
Zelda. Kapaw! May spring ang kanyang legs. Check. Parang lumapit tuloy ang aking... Wow. Before the game ends,
Uy, medyo mataas yan, sir. Skyler.
Skyler, ipinukol! Magkakaroon tayo ng air bite kay Jem. Ipinasa ang Bills! Nasalo! Wow! What a hawk! Ipinukol ni Green Goblin ang malapit na backhand. Jepoy, nice read. Pero grabe, ang kapit na tingin. Kahit nahawakan na, slowly hanggang baba. Nasa lawang. PUPM nagdidefend. Wow! What a grab! Trying to secure their 0 point.
Nabitawan
Tanong.
yung disc. Hammer time.
Hammer. Secured. Nasarap na end zone. Grabe. Fast. Hammer time. Read. Good read by Wa. Ambis bumato ni Wa. Ibibigay kaya ang strike, hindi. Safety tayo, boys. Guys. Oh, wow. Naghanap ng break side. Binababa. Ganato sa break side. There to secure another point.
Cut na yun. Ngayon nung lumawag yung backhand side. No fear. Send agad.
Foul count is rising. Ipinokol. Makukuha ni Ghost 5. Wow, what an attempt by both teams. Napakasikip.
Stall count pataas. Hinaybak.
Boom, secured by Gab. What an attempt. Oh, every day, ang daming Milo tents, ha?
Break
Grabe,
pass.
sponsor. Bam, break pass. And secured. PSU with their 12 points. Yan, Binerger. Inulusot ni Isa kay Skyler. Score is now 12-10 with
A kiss.
disc sa open side. Tinimingan ni Skyler ang open side. At makikita natin,
Yung.
point secure. Yan na po, naghanap ng forward pass ang PSU. Slow and steady, kanilang handler moving.
Hammer time.
Hammer time! Steady. Bokol time. And it's secured! But no! Someone's...
Tyler, break side attack. Kahanap. Wala pa. As of now. Diretso kay Isa Escano. Knock straight away. And Coco with the second chance effort.
Bend of Zach.
Hawk straight away.
Zelda.
Medyo bendy.
Ooh, covered. Covered by PSU. Ang kanilang long. Forward, wala.
Hawk na. Hawk time.
Hinayback. Secured by Jai. Wow. Wow, Jay.
Grabe. Heroics.
Wow! And that is it! Pansit!
Tignan mo talagang ganda ng naging training program itong dalawang teams sa season nila by the way they played.